That's crazy, eh? Alright, let's do it. Let's set them up.
Going to get a bit south to make it comfortable for you.
Well, you tell me how far back you're going. Are you going to go further back?
Oh, I reckon that's it.
That's it?
Okay, I'll do whatever you
No, just so I know where to set this one up.
Yeah. Can you see this one?
Yeah, I can.
They come right up here. They come right here.
Yeah, they come right up. That one's a short rigger. Fucking nibble. Yeah!
That's two! Double! Move those lines are over each other. This one's off. This one's good, but this one's quite loose. Put something on that, the holding tight. We'll get the others. Come under me. Come under me. This one, the bottom's gone off.
Bring yours in. You want to drive towards him? Yeah.
Right, they're in close.
Yeah, Cheezle, grab your harness.
I'm going. Wake up. Fucking sleep in the fucking chair. Huh?
Yeah, it's still there.
Sorry, mate.
No, you're right. Which other lure did it take?
Took the shotty.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, took fucking Brad. Brad went first and then that one went next. Copy of the container ship. We got one coming towards you. Can you move out of the road?
Yeah. You just get to hold the rod and I'll click you in.
Damn the container ship, mate.
Go. Let me go behind you. Fucking there. Why'd you put Vaso on the fucking things? Alright.
Oh, he's going straight down.
What do we got? Any rods still out? They're all in?
They're right there. Back it up, Paulie. Yeah, very good.
Yeah, you're right. It's alright like that.
You reckon he's alright?
Yeah, he's alright.
Alex, new copy. Alex.
Straight down.
Goes down to 22.
Another one at 50, yeah.
Back up on him. Go. Back up on him, that's it, mate. Put a bit more drag on him. Yeah, a bit more. That's it. Go. Just there. It's probably tail wrap.
Alex Brand, mate. New copy.
Nah.
There's a little bit. One line.
Go around that way. Left hand, yeah, forward, left hand down. Or see if you can spin the boat. Yeah, a bit more if you can.
Swim in the water. Swim in the water.
Just there, them on that. Try and come around. He's just here. Yeah, he's only 15 metres behind the back of the boat. Yeah, no. It doubles, and not just there. It doubles 2 rod lengths away. Yeah. Alright, go back on him now. Back and that way. Back and that way. See him on the surface?
Oh, Paulie. Miss Sean. I'll do that.
You tell Lauren does all the work in the bed, mate. Your pumping action's not too good, mate.
She wasn't complaining last night.
Gotta be safe.
Hold up. I missed the throttle.
So,
Keep it going back a little bit more.
left hand down, backwards.
Left hand down, yeah.
Left hand down,
Quick,
backwards.
quick.
That's it.
Over.
Perfect. Still green. Nice if you jump for it. Forward, left.
Just good.
That's it, keep going like that. Perfect. Keep going. Alright, stop. Fuck, he's a smart bastard. Yeah, I'll come with, I'll follow you around.
Go back a little bit, Paul, and see if we can get that leader.
That's it, back the way you are. Perfect. Go, go. Pump, 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 pump. Forward, left hand down. Quick. Alright. Look at him, he just turned.
Yeah, dog, eh?
He's fucking smart.
Shit, Chad.
Keep going, keep going. Short pumps, short pumps, short pumps, short pumps, short pumps, short pumps.
Ready?
Alright.
Can we get the line out?
I'm right so far. Alright, got him. Forward.
Right. Hey.
Settle down. Hey. That's it.
Want me to get a rope to put on him?
Oh fuck. Yeah, alright if you want.
I'm going to get some tagging with the photos.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. Go. No, it needs a half inch. Take it off. Fuck. No, get the other. Get the other. Where's the loop end? Give me the loop end. Give me the loop.
Settle down, mate. We're going to let you go.
Alright, that's me in.
Got it?
Yeah. Time off.
Right. Gonna get tagged.
Oh, that was that was funny. Where's the other end of this rope? It's not tied onto anything?
Yeah, I'll tie it on.
No, it's alright.
Yeah, I'll tie it.
It's all good, all good, all good. I'll hang on to me. Just don't want to wrap around my legs, that's all.
No, that's right.
No, just leave it up here.
Sure?
Yeah, I just don't want it around my legs just in case.
Yeah, that's that.
Beautiful. Alright. You happy now, buddy?
Come back. Hey, you got it? Yeah. And make sure he's facing backwards, Johnny. Like from his shoulders backwards, yeah, not forward. Wait, let me in the video. Wait, this here.
Hang on. Alright, he's tight.
Got an elastic band to put on?
Will it fall off? Yeah. Give me the elastic, give me the tag.
It might fall off, but yeah.
Wait a sec.
Oh, I get the number.
No, don't worry about the number. Oh, that was funny. There you go. Beautiful. There's one for rule therapy.
No, real addiction.
Oh, rule addiction. Is it rule addiction?
Yeah.
Rule addiction. Sorry, mate.
No, real therapy.
Oh, very good. No, don't worry about the number. Oh, that was funny. There you go. Beautiful. There's one for rule therapy.
No, real addiction.
Oh, rule addiction. Is it rule addiction?
Yeah.
Rule addiction. Sorry, mate.
No, real therapy.
Oh, very good. Oh, that was funny. That little white lure. Happy swimming there, buddy? Alright.
Now, you've shown up fucking Brad J on how to fucking catch a fucking fish. You might get a strike, but at least be fucking
What's all this talk about Brad J business, eh? Brad who? We get the white with the white knight out there.
It's the white man. Oh, that's right.
He's retired now, eh?
He's retired now.
Well, what do we do? We folded the tip of the hook over, so you probably won't be able to get that on camera.
He's all chafed up.
It's all that tip is folded over. Nothing a file can't fix, but we haven't got a file with us at the moment, so we're just gonna put him on show. Righto, mate. So just letting you know, he just caught a marlin, and you've been on the bench. So there's a bloke out the back whose name's Brad. This Brad bloke, everybody keeps talking about how good he is. But last year, you caught me a couple of marlins, so today, you're going to show all these big fellas how it's done. It's not always about size. He's a little fella. So you do what you got to do, all right? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Do your stuff. Let's go. Good day. Tag and release.
Good job, Cheezle. Yeah, buddy.
Right, Marlin.
Good job, Louis.
Good job, boys. Thank you. Good day.